Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Mazda CX-7 and this vehicle has a problem with check engine. Look at the dashboard, we have a check engine light. Another problem is it loses power, then it stall. We have rough idling short. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. I've already plugged in. I'm going to use this tablet. It's a Samsung type Mazda. Okay, still scanning. Auto search. Okay, 6-speed. Body control module, PCM. Okay, read code. Engine is running. Okay, so we have p2177 system 2 lane of idle. Then we have p0123 with throttle sensor A. Then we have p0222 which is sensor throttle sensor B. Then finally we have p2503 which is charging system. Then we have p0571 which is brake switch. So according to those fault code, the first fault code, second and third, those are main fault code, but the first fault code, which is p2177-FF, which is the system 2 lane of idle, is caused by the dirty mass airflow sensor or dirty throttle. So we are going to clean mass airflow sensor at the same time to clean throttle because of misinformation that mass airflow sensor is giving the PCM. So that one can affect that because this vehicle is stalling, which is rough idling. Another thing, it doesn't have power and we have delay when you accelerate. So the first culprit is to clean mass airflow sensor and to clean the throttle body. So let's go and see. So this is the engine. So the first thing, I'm going to remove this we normally call turbo cooler. Then this is the throttle I'm talking about. So let me remove the turbo cooler so that we access that throttle. So we have already removed the turbo cooler, what you call the turbo cooler. So we are going straight to the mass airflow sensor. This is what we call the mass airflow sensor. It calculates the amount of air that enters into throttle. So when that mass airflow sensor is dirty, it gives the PCM misinformation that can lead to that rough idling, stalling, misfire. So it's good to clean that mass airflow sensor. Look at very carefully on that tip of mass airflow sensor we have dust particles. So we are going to use carburetor cap to clean that mass airflow sensor. That is the first investigation we have found. So another investigation is that in this throttle socket we have 2 pins that are loose. Just why on that on the diagnostic machine we have sensor position B and A. So I'm going to rectify that. Another thing, we are going to clean that throttle throttle position sensor using the choke cleaner. This is the choke cleaner I'm going to use. So when you clean that throttle, that one will help to stabilize the idling. The vehicle will not stall or will not feel that rough idling. It's just like that. Make sure the throttle is clean. Another thing, we are going to clean them with mass air for sensor. This is the mass air for sensor, one of the important sensor in this vehicle. When we clean that sensor, make sure it dries before we install back. So don't install that sensor when it's still wet. So just why after cleaning that mass air for sensor, I'm going to put on the sunroof to make sure that it is dry before I install back. So don't forget to do that. So we are going back to throttle to make sure it's clean, totally clean, with the free from carbon deposit. See, right now the throttle is clean. So after doing that, we are going to install everything back. We are going to install everything back. By the way, it is easy to do this job if you follow instruction according, or if you know how to interpret those fault code. So I have already installed everything apart from mass air for sensor. So I'm going to install that mass air for sensor. So after installing that mass air for sensor, I have to make sure everything is intact. I think we are done. So we are done. We are going back so that I clear the code first from the system. We're going to clear those 4 fault code like that. On engine, everything's normal. So let's confirm. Still reading. Yes, read the code, retrieve the code. No fault code, which means there's no any fault code in the system. So I'm going to start the vehicle. Let me start the engine. Everything is clean, no any lights on the dashboard. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.